Artwalk has always been a fantastic community spirit, and I urge everyone to get involved. I've been involved every year, and it's such a buzz, and it takes a bit of just putting yourself out there as an artist, but the rewards are brilliant.
There's a real sense of community here, so it's very much artists helping other artists, so it's like all the artists are really wanting to help the arts grow in the area.
What I love about Artwalk is that it brings a lot of variety of arts together in the one place for everyone to see. Everyone can get involved, you know, there's installations, there's live painting, no matter what you're into, there's always something to look at, and it's a great community.
It's actually bringing the art to the people, but the people also come to the art and they're having different experiences. It's not viewing art just in a gallery. You know, they're outdoors and they're indoors, and it's like 5 senses. They can smell it and they can see it and they can feel it and they can hear it. It's just a really exciting time.
Artwalk is an amazing event, so I love the fact that it brings artists out to meet the people, and people get exposure to things that they normally wouldn't get exposure to. So it's been an awesome event over the years, and it's brought lots of people into my shop and also shown them what I do as a creative practitioner as well.
I love a lot about Artwalk. I love the way that our community bands together to support our artists. It's a great way for families to get out and see what's available in the town, to visit businesses that they might not have visited before, as well as young kids to see what's possible in their own town if they want to have an artistic career.
Well, I just love that we have the opportunity as creatives to show the wider community what it is that we do, and it's so interactive. It's been amazing just seeing the variety of art and artistic ability that's in our region has just been incredible. And so to be able to say that I've been part of an event like this, it makes me really proud.
Communities are so desperately in need of inspiration, and art is such a perfect, vehicle for that. The fact that the artwork has opened up the whole region, it's offering visual art, it's offering performing arts, it's offering art through the day, art through the night. It's got satellite events. There's so many exciting ventures. There's markets to attend, there's evenings, and there's exhibitions. There's so many exciting things.
It's a lovely way to feel part of Port Macquarie and part of the arts community.